Hello everyone, welcome to your reading for March 15th till the 31st of March 2019. This is your mid-month. You can check your March reading as well for more messages, and also your Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus signs. I just want to make an announcement before I start with your sign. I have the Psychic Tarot for the Heart and the Amira Love Oracle deck to give away. Do comment if you want to enter the competition. And thank you so much for your likes, shares, subscribes, and all your comments. Okay? Do press like if you like this video at any time. Don't forget, it does really help the channel. So please do that if you like the video. Also, for personal readings, if you have any questions, 1 to 5 or even up to 8 questions as a general, career or love, or just career, you have everything on my website. The website is in the description below this video, and also my email address. If you have any questions before you buy the reading, you can ask me what's the best one for your situation, because there are different spreads. True love reading, you have how he or she feels. They are a little bit different. You can get the how to attract love as well, and the X reading. Everything is there. There's a lot of them, a lot of love readings and career on my website. So if you're interested, do check it out. Okay, thank you so much, and let's begin with the sign. Hello Cancer, welcome to your mid-month, 15th till the 31st of March 2019. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in a sign of Cancer. Let's begin. What are the messages for Cancer? Okay, Cancers want to be on their own, worried about something, or someone is worried about you, thinking about you. They can't stop thinking about you. This could be a Virgo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's also, well, there's everything here, fire and water as well. Feel they realize that you gave up on them completely. They may have caused you stress, or they're very much stressing. Or you're stressing that they have let go as well. Could be your energy. Worry. It's Leo. You see yourself, you may be the one not giving in, staying strong, taking control. There could have been cheating. The Lovers reversed. That's the foundation. You're not seeing them face to face, literally not seeing them, not making up their mind. 8 of Cups, you went back in the past, or they came back, but there's still cheating going on for some, or you still really can't make a decision, or they're not making a decision. I feel you taking the situation here, you taking control, you being strong. There's also feeling good physically here and strong. The Hermit, you going into spirituality. I feel there's some fitness and spirituality here, definitely with the strength and the Hermit. So strong spiritually, too strong, Cancer, too strong spiritually for this. Okay, if you're feeling like that, focus, exercising, meditating, going within. This could be a younger Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I'm sensing there's someone that's just spying on you. Okay, someone just want to spy. They don't want to say anything, or they don't say anything that really, that is really true, or really kind of upfront here. Emotionally, yeah, you feel like you're living this without no communication, or you were left without closure here. Okay? You don't have clarity where you're going, how you're going to start this new cycle. Some of you, or others of you, you feeling strong, but you leaving them at silence. Bye. Like, not even a bye. Okay? You're not even saying bye. You're just letting them spy on you, or messaging you. You feel you haven't come full circle with this situation, but I'm sensing that some of you, you're very much in charge here, and you know what you're doing, because the strength is there, Cancer, and spiritual strength. Okay, again, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo. I see they're looking for you. They're looking for you, Cancer, or you're looking for them. Okay, outcome for mid-month, 15th to the 31st. 10 of Pentacles. Ooh, okay, we've got the player in the outcome. Yeah. Breaking the bank. Be careful, impulsive buying. Okay, Cancer. But this is someone, could be a fire sign, Leo, Sag, Aries, someone that in the outcome you broke up with. They could be, I don't think you want to get involved with this person anymore. You could have just been something short term with them, or others of you were in a relationship and you broke up. They're still in the outcome. So I do see they have returned, or they're about to return to you, but they're coming back confused. They're coming back maybe financially not stable as well, because it may be that that's what's bothering you or them, finances here. Let's see, letting go, reconsidering, but having an awakening. Some of you having a spiritual awakening. So whatever, you know, if you've lost money, if you've lost a relationship, someone here, I feel that some of you really trying to get over something. Could be even the cheating that was going on that caused the breakup. Let's see what that is. Yeah, ending the fights, just letting go completely. It's like there's no need to fight anymore. I'm not up for this drama. The Hermit could be something coming to light, yes. Because you've got awakening, you've got the Hermit, you've got the Moon reversed. So it could be a secret. A secret revealed. Let's see what this is. What's this secret for Cancer mid-month? Or someone really undercover here. I'm sensing they're undercover, spying. They're spying, Cancer. Sagittarius. And the Seven of Cups. Many, many choices. You're going to find out. You're going to lose patience, or someone is losing patience with you here, because they find out that you had other choices. It's not all about that, because there is the Lovers reversed. I do see that there could be cheating, and someone could have, and you could come to that realization that they are players this month. But some of you, I think you already know what they're about, and it's more about the feeling kind of restless and impatient. And there's a feeling of daydreaming about you, and very kind of obsession. I feel they can't heal, and they're getting a little bit obsessed with what you're doing, with trying to get back with you. What's this worry? Nine of Swords. The Star. Could be an Aquarius. Could be not losing hope. Yeah, losing hope. Someone lost hope. Okay, then someone could be juggling you and an Aquarius. For the ones that, you know, trying to make a decision, you could be making a decision between more than one person, but I feel some of you being juggled between, you know, it could be an air sign, air and fire, or not air and fire, air or fire, and obviously water, that is you. Yeah. So I feel someone is moving on from you, or you're moving on, because they're still juggling, and you and someone here. Yeah, the player is there. Strength, faith. Yeah, you've got faith. Cancer, you've got faith, and you have the strength to overcome whatever that is, you know, to leave whoever needs to be left behind, to end the, you know, arguments, or wanting something here that you shouldn't want, because if it's not given to you straight away, or if this person is not willing to let go of another person for you or be with you, just be with you, there's no point. But I do see there is commitment with, could be a Leo, but I'm sensing that some of you, it's a Leo or Gemini, they could be married. There's also Taurus energy, yeah, and things not going away because of that, okay, because of this marriage, because of this, could be faith, religion, different religion, age, and moving on. You could be traveling, some of you, but I'm sensing moving on, and they're still watching you. So watching you move on. What's this? Lovers here. Yeah. Unrequited love. There is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. Yeah, this is the wife. Some of you, it's the, if you're married, you could find out that they're cheating, or there was always someone else there. And it feels like it's hidden, but I'm sensing, you know, you are, you know, in your, you feel that there's no way this couldn't not be moving forward if there was nothing holding them back. So, or you know, you could be held back by someone else, and this person had enough and is moving on now. Yeah, you feel cheated on, you feel like this person doesn't want to make a decision between the two of you. So you're leaving them at, well, no more talking. Or if they stop talking to you, you know, 15th till the 31st. It's really letting go of something that you really desired. That's what I'm picking up. And not even saying, but you recognizing that it's not worth, and you're just going into your shell. You're going into your shell, and once again with this person, because victory is reversed. There's also some pride here that is causing the blockage between you. They're too proudish. And it could be because of the money. They're not secure enough. That's why they don't want to share. They don't want be in a commitment. So they disappear, they ghost. This is the ghost. This is the ghost. So you're gonna ghost on them. Yeah, on this player. Because there's no way you could build this when, you know, they are not determined to have you in their life. Cancer. 15 till the 31st. Short term, see? Someone that you had a short term fling, I feel is coming back. Wallflower. So you could be like, oh, this doesn't really usually happen to me, you know. I normally get into a relationship or, you know, but this was very short term. That was supposed to happen. You have true love here in friendships. So your friends are showing you love. You're just destined to be friends. Okay. It's a beauty queen. So soulmate communication. Okay, so twin flame and a soulmate. So someone was short term because again, you have these two options, a soulmate and a twin flame, or this person is communicating with both of you. I feel destined just to stay friends, or it feels destined because you have friends in common, children are friends with each other, family. Okay, Cancer and gifts. So definitely possible pregnancy here for the ones. Keep trying, but in this situation, possible single parent, but you know, commitment is not really the right time yet. It's not really the right time. You may have children already, or they have. Maybe hear about someone that is pregnant. Honeymoon, there's some travel here, spending time together. I feel some of you are getting over someone that you love, that you like, starting to free yourself. You went and took a trip somewhere. Finances and career are the issue right now, and that's probably why they don't want to commit, that you're living in a moment. It's telling you to smell the flowers. You attract love by enjoying the moment fully. And yes, there is children affecting your love life. So your children or their children, it's probably why the finances are here, because someone doesn't have enough to look after your children, or, you know, join families if you both have children. So it's like, but someone is freeing themselves, releasing the ex, releasing the person. Stay optimistic, clear your energy. I feel that some are trying to be with someone that is already has children and is already in a committed relationship, and they're trying, and you waiting and staying optimistic that they really release that person. Well, I can't tell you, but I can tell you here that you may be optimistic about that, but you really need to take back control of your life. You can't be waiting forever. Okay? All the best with that, Cancer. Thank you. Bye-bye.